Welcome back, y'all, to the Ford Shop Yard. I'm Ryan. And today, we're going to be I'm over at the trailer again. And like I said in the last video, getting ready to move my vehicles. I'm going to be doing them this coming week. I don't know if I want to move the Maverick first or the white truck first. I need to get the white truck moved so nobody takes nothing else off of it. But as you can see, I put the original the last original tire back on. It's a 14 like all the rest of them. I took the spare tire off of it. Let's see. It's a rim and tire off a Chrysler. As you can see right there. Spare off a Chrysler vehicle. So, and it fit on there. It's a 5-lug. It fit on there. As you can see, I'm missing one stud, but I'll replace it once I get it moved and get back to work on it. Find my key here. There it is right there. The one for the trunk. Open the trunk up. Dadgummit. Oh, well, yeah, right there you are. Okie dokie. Okay. Put the spare back in the trunk where it belongs. Oh, me. Damn. Okay, but spare tire's back in there in the trunk, safe. This one right here, as you can see, this tire here, it's going to have to be replaced soon. Look at how dry rotted it is. It is one of the original tires off of it. You know, well, probably not the original tire, but it's an old tire. I couldn't find a date on it, but my guess it is an original tire. Just by, I mean, look how bad cracked it is. And it does leak slow. I pumped it up like 4 days ago. And it's still holding there, but when I put it on, put the weight on it, it went back down. So, but it's holding there right now, but it leaks down slow. But it did fit. When I first started putting it on, the things wouldn't line up. I said, "Now I know this is a tire for it." But I finagled it, and it finally lined up where it's supposed to be. But it's all good. Old Blue, I put new brakes on it last night. Cost me $66. And I got the front and back pads done. And the front ones were shot, but the back ones still had plenty of pad left on them. But I might as well do it all at once, and that's what I did. But let's see, what did I do? These are the back pads. Let me show them to you right now. I don't want to hit the button and cut the video off. You see, here's the back pads. They still had plenty of pad left on them. And, see. And that one right there still had plenty of pad on it. As you can see, there you go, right there. Still had plenty of pad left, but like I said, I did the front and said to hell with it. I might as well just do the back too, because that way I ain't gotta worry about it no other time. Get my thumb out, fingers out of the way. But I'll show you the front pads. They were pretty much down to the metal. They were pretty much all down to the metal on the front. Oh, man. Oh, man. As you can see here, here's the back of the pad. There's the. There really wasn't nothing left. But it's like that on all of them. Now the ones on the inside of the rotor had more than the outside, but see, that right there was the worst one, as you'll see. It was the most worn. It was down to the metal on that one little bit. But I'm glad it didn't eat into the rotor, because I only had $100, so. But them, I'll put them on my scrap pile if I ever come up with another scrap pile. But the brakes on Old Blue are done. I am going to bleed them one more time. I didn't bleed them last night. I just, got in and pumped them up. But they do need to be bled the right way. It was just so late last night getting done and getting home. I just didn't feel like doing nothing else, and it was cold. I was about to freeze my nuts off. But yeah, guys. Interesting thing about these trucks. On the front, they're dual piston calipers with 2 pistons, dual piston. And on the back, they're single piston calipers with 1 piston. So, I didn't know that, because I know on Frankie, my Green Expedition, he's got dual calipers all the way around, 2 in the front, 2 in the back on each one. But so yeah. But got that done. I need to change the rear differential fluid, because it's, I don't know if I can show you here. Really can't see nothing. There's the gas tank right there, which really ain't no oil on it from what I can see. I mean, there's a little bit of oil on it, but it's not bad. But I do need to change the differential fluid. It's shot. 300,000 miles on it, Original fluid. Change the fluid and gasket in a couple weeks. So. But, yep. Do that. Oh, me. Gotta get me 2 new hubcaps for the front, because they fell off. I do need to, I'm gonna have to put new ball joints on this thing, because they're shot. Well, the one that's the worst is this side here. The upper ball joint is shot. When I jacked it up and pulled on it at the 6 and 12 o'clock position, it moved a lot, had a lot of movement. So that's going to need replacing soon. I was told that the guy that helped me with my brakes, he told me, he was like, if that, you might want to get that replaced sooner than later, because if that upper ball joint goes, then you're going to have, the tire's going to kind of wobble like that, back and forth. But if the lower ball joint goes out, it's going to come out, it's going to swing the bottom of the tire, it's going to swing out, and it's going to go up in the fender and destroy my fender. So I'm going to have to get new ball joints in the front, upper and lower on both sides. The tie rods, they're not bad. They're I would like to replace them, but they're not, they're not causing any real problem. I'm not getting vibration. Like, if you have a bad tie rod, it'll cause vibration in the steering wheel. I'm not getting any of that. So even though the boots are torn because they're 20 years old, I'm not getting any vibration, but that'll come later. But probably the next thing I'll do, differential fluid and the upper and lower ball joints on both sides. But I get some more money, that's what I'm going to start doing. But yeah, I'm going to start working on, I get my check in a couple of days. And I'm going to rent a trailer or have somebody move my vehicle, move my car for me. Move it, and then move my white truck, then move my pickup truck. I'm going to put both my white truck and my pickup truck up on the hill over there on my other side of my property at the new house, up there where the old truck is, where we store everything. Put them back in there where they're out of the way. I clear out the spot because there's a bunch of overgrowth, trees and stuff where it ain't been cut in 7 years. But that tire looks pretty good on there. You know, I can't wait to get this thing running and driving and bleed the brakes and get the rear shocks all done, have the floors done. I want to find somebody who'll do my floors for me for a reasonable price. I gotta find a good body guy who'll do it and fix this little spot back here. But it's all a work in progress, and I'm gonna get it done little by little. But damn, I can't wait to get it moved. I'm ready to get them out of this place, out of Jefferson. I'm so ready. On my Home Depot buggies. But as far as the Bronco goes, Bronco ain't mine, it's my brother's, you know. But I'm not moving that. I'm not gonna move it. It ain't mine. I'm not gonna move it. I'm not gonna even worry about it. I'm moving what belongs to me, my car and both my trucks. I'm ready to get a new motor and transmission to put in this thing, get it back on the road, because this is a damn good truck. Need some new headlights, and, you know, because when I put them in, I didn't know there's little clips on the back to hold them in place from moving, and I just yanked them all out, but all the clips are still there, so, you know, it is what it is. Everything's okay. But, the brakes are still perfect, because I put new brakes all the way around this thing not long before I parked it in 2018, so. But, everything's fine. When I get this thing ready back on the road, I'm going to fix the window again, because you can see this little gap there, but I got to fix the door striker. I got to go inside here and tighten it back up so it'll shut the door all the way. And I want to get this thing painted and running and driving again, because I miss driving this truck. It was a damn good truck. You know, it was a damn good truck. We drove it to damn Columbia. We took it to damn... I drove it everywhere. The furthest I drove it was Columbia. But, you know, get the rust fixed. You know, all these old tires and stuff I got to do something with. Old spare. I'm going to keep that spare, but I'm going to put a new tire on it. Because you see somebody slashed it. My dumbass cousin, well, he's not a dumbass, but my cousin slashed it a while back. And, there was a little lizard right there. But yeah. Somebody actually stole the towing package off this truck. My truck had a towing package, somebody stole it. Like I said, the tail lights, they're in excellent shape. They're brand new like the headlights, but I mean, you know, I spent $100 for them, and let's see, $110 for the front, for the headlights. But I'm ready to get them all moved. Gotta put me a new 150 badge on there. It fell off. See if I can show you guys. You see, no motor. The transmission's still in it. I'm going to pull the transmission out and replace it, because it's just, it was leaking real bad, and I'd just rather have a brand new transmission put in, or another transmission put in. But as you can see, this is a damn good truck. I mean, it really, really is. It's a damn good truck. It's still got my little reservoir there, still got coolant and washer fluid in it. But brake master cylinder, booster, everything on this truck works. People think, when people quit driving their vehicles, they let them sit and things go bad. I've been keeping this truck moved around since I parked it, and so that's why the brakes are still good. Because, you know, if if you park a vehicle and it sits for years and years and years, the brakes just, they finally, the master cylinder and all that finally just goes bad. But I've been making sure to keep this thing moved around and keeping the brakes operating like it's supposed to be. I mean, if we're sitting for, let's see, almost 4 years, the brakes are still holding up really well. As you can see, my little centerpiece from my tire fell out, my hubcap fell out, but I can get a new one of them, no problem. But yeah, I love this truck, and can't wait to get it on the road again. Old white truck, can't wait to get it on the road again. My car, I'm ready to start driving it. My rotten spider sack right there, you see that? Oh. It just pisses me off that they come over here and took my damn headlight out of my truck. Wasn't a damn thing wrong with this truck, and they come over and stole the headlight. It needs some motor work done to it. I'm going to do that too. Have that done. But, see that tire's flat. I got that tire and wheel right there out of a junkyard. And the tire is dry rot, so it leaks down over time. But yeah. Ready to get them all moved. Get back to working on them again. But again, guys, just want to let you know what I was up to. Putting new brakes on the old truck. And so. But yeah. I'm ready to get my trucks and car out of this town called Jefferson. Ain't nothing but a bunch of thieves around this place. Thieves and nosy ass people. That's all it is. Thieves and nosy bunch of no good people. But see that, guys? See where the rear shocks are gone? But yeah. Yeah. Oh Lord, I can't really show you now. I keep wanting to show you, but I'll show you whenever I get it moved and get the damn, you know, get things done. But yeah, as you can see, both those tires right there come off the old blue truck here. And that one right there was up there at the house behind the old truck. I thought it might fit on my car, but it didn't, so I said to hell with it. Old 3-ton jack, holding up like it's supposed to, being good. But we'll catch you here next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Ford Shop Yard. I'm Ryan. Y'all have a good day. Bye.